In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Solflare to Aster DEX. So first, you need to go to Aster's official website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Once you are on the official website over here, first you have to select the network or the chain. So click on up here, just to the left of where it says connect wallet, and then switch to Solana because Solflare is a Solana wallet. After this, of course, I'm just going to exit. There we go. You can install your Solflare wallet onto your browsers if you don't have it yet. So for me, I'm using Chrome. Just go to the Chrome Web Store if you're using it as well, and then just get your extension for the Solflare wallet, sign in, and you're good to go. From here, you can click on the Connect Wallet on the Aster DEX, and then click on more options, and down at the bottom you can see it says Solflare. Click on the Solflare button over here, and then it should pop up the Solflare extension. There we go. And then in here you can just click on the connect button, and then you have to send the request for the key. And then after you do that, simply click on the approve button when that pops up. And just like that, as you can see, my Solflare wallet has been connected to Aster DEX. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.